Okay, so I wanted to come on here to teach those that want to learn how to toggle between two languages on their touch chat um, application for AAC. So the first thing you're going to want to do is choose the vocab that you want to start with. So I'm just going to start with choosing one in Spanish. That's this one. I'm going to use the Afeza Español SS. And you're going to want to customize it because customizing it will let you be able to edit your vocab and do different things. So I'm just going to say copy Afeza Spanish. And once you have the name, you're just going to save the vocab. And now it's going to open up to the vocab. Okay. In this vocab, once you have the vocab selected, if that vocab happens to have a button in the vocab page layout that's empty that you can use, that space, that's great. If you don't, it's fine. You can edit the page layout to be able to add another button if you want to add it. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the main page. So I'm going to have to edit my page layout. So I'm going to hit menu, edit page. And then once it has that red bar on the top, I'm going to click menu again. And I'm going to click on edit page layout. And I'm just going to add one more row. It has 3. I'm going to add 4 rows. Save. Once I have the 4 rows saved, you will see there's 4 buttons, 4 empty spaces, buttons that you can make any buttons you wish or like to add to the main page. I'm going to click done because I'm done. And then now we will go back to menu and you're going to click on settings because you want to save this vocab. So you're going to save this profile. You're going to go to save profile and you're going to come up with a name to save the profile. Just remember, you got to have this, you got to remember the profile name because you will be needing the profile name when you add the button on the other vocab that you want to link it to. So I'm going to make up a name. I made it into baby Spanish, so I'm just going to save. And you can name the profile any name. You can personalize it. You can put it as the name of your child or client, whatever it is you want to do. You can name it that. Just do remember the name that you put on the profile, and then you're going to save it. Once you save it, you will click done, and now you're going to go back to the main page to select the vocab that you want to link to this one. So now we'll go and choose a new vocab. And now I will go down all the way to the English one because that was my Spanish one. Once I have my vocab selected, I'm going to go ahead and do the same process. I want to add a button to this main page, so I'm going to change the layout on it. So I'm going to click menu, edit page, menu again, and edit page layout. I'm going to add one more row and save. And it gives me the 4 blank spaces. So now that I have the 4 blank spaces, I'm going to press done. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to menu, settings, save profile, and I'm going to name this and save profile. So this is going to say baby English. And save. And now that I have the profile saved, I'm going to press done. And now I'm going to go ahead. Now I'm ready to add my button. I'm going to do edit page, menu, edit page, click on the blank space, create a new button. I like to put an image on the button, so I'm just going to add a star in there. And just so I know, so my kiddo can know to go back and forth to there. And then I'm going to scroll all the way down to where it says button actions. And I'm going to click on the first action that's there already, which is speech message. I don't need speech message, but I'm going to change the action. I am going to look in the S's. This is in alphabetical order. So you're just going to look for select profile. And you're going to look for the other vocab profile that you saved in the other language. So I I did baby Spanish. So I'm going to save once I have it saved. So there it is. And I'm going to click done. Now I'm going to go to my Spanish vocab that I did. So you're going to click vocab, choose a new vocab, and I'm going to scroll down. And here it is. And I'm going to open it up. And now I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to go to menu, edit page. I'm going to click on my empty space, create button. And again, I am going to select an image. I don't need to put any labels or anything because I don't need it to say anything. So I'm going to put a star and look for it. And there it is. And then I'm going to scroll all the way down again to where it says button actions. And I'm going to click on speech message because I'm going to change the action. I don't need it to say speech. And I'm going to go to select profile. And again, it's going to go to the profile I saved, which is going to be baby English, and save. And now I'm going to click done. And just like that, it will take you to your English vocab and back to your Spanish. And don't forget to set up the voices on both of your vocabularies, so you know which voice you want for them to pronounce the words in. What person? I believe I have Emiliano on both, speaking English. So don't forget to pick the voice for each vocab, so you know what they're gonna talk. I have Emiliano on both sides, so it's just like this one.
Banana.
And then on my English one, I have the same thing.
Banana.
So there you go. Hope it's helpful. Hope it helps all those that are trying to learn how to toggle between two pages, especially those who are wanting it bilingual. Okay, thanks. Follow me for more.